Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dwellbin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue wherein the Find My iPhone option is grey out or users are unable to turn off this feature. So as you might be aware, if you are planning to do a downgrade of your iPhone, then your first course of action is to turn off Find My iPhone, but many have said that they are unable to do so. Even if you see on my phone, the Find My iPhone option is turned on and it's grey out. I cannot turn it off or disable it, as you might see. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue so that you could easily turn off this feature and then carry on with the downgrading process. So with that said, let's get started. The reason why you are facing this issue is because the stolen device protection is turned on your iPhone. This is the stolen device protection feature. So all you have to do is simply turn off this feature. Once you turn off stolen device protection, you will then be able to easily turn off Find My iPhone as well. So let me show you how that could be done. So as of now, you could see the Find My iPhone is grey out on my iPhone. So I will now turn off the stolen device protection on my iPhone and then show you the result as well. So first and foremost, go to the settings menu on your iPhone. From there, you have to go to the Face ID and passcode. Now type in your passcode. So just give me a second. I'll type in the passcode. And once that is done, scroll down a little bit and then select the stolen device protection, and from there turn off the toggle next to stolen device protection. It will now ask you for a Face ID, so just give me a minute. And once you have verified via the Face ID, it will now turn off the stolen device protection. As you could see, the feature is now turned off on my iPhone. Once that is done, let's now proceed ahead and try to turn off the Find My iPhone as well. So go to the settings menu, tap on your name, go to Find My and Find My iPhone, and now as you could see, the option is ungrayed and I could now simply turn it off. You will now have to type in your Apple ID password, which will take only a few seconds. So just give me a minute, I'll do that as well. Once you have typed in the password, tap on done or turn off, and now as you could see, let me show you, the Find My iPhone option is now turned off and I could now easily proceed ahead and do a downgrade. I have given the complete instruction on how you could do a downgrade. You could refer to my guide and get the job done. But our ultimate aim was to turn off Find My iPhone, which we have done now, and we could now proceed ahead and carry out the required task. So the only thing to keep in mind is that you will first and foremost have to turn off stolen device protection from the Face ID and passcode section. Do so, and after that you will then be able to easily turn off Find My iPhone. Do keep in mind that I will highly recommend that once you are done with the downgrade, please make sure to re-enable stolen device protection, because it's quite a handy safety and security feature. So after you are done with the Find My iPhone and the downgrade process, please at least enable the stolen device protection feature once again, and likewise also enable the Find My iPhone, because both of these features might come in handy later on. So once you are done with the downgrade, make sure to re-enable both these features from my guide as well. You could refer to my guide and get the job done. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.